Hey, thank you for stopping by. We are going to be talking cold stratification of hazelnuts and chestnuts. Unfortunately, this is going to be kind of a shortened version. I just filmed about a 10-minute video of me opening up all these chestnuts and hazelnuts, laying out the trays, only to realize I did not have my SD card in my GoPro. So, hey, rookie move. So, hang in there with me. I just got these hazelnut and chestnuts just in the mail God, it was a couple days ago actually. And I'm late in the game. If you're looking to buy seeds for chestnuts and hazelnuts, I would recommend looking like October, November. Because I went to about, it was a dozen different chestnut and hazelnut, tree places that were recommended by other people. Everybody was sold out, whether it be, seeds or seedlings. I was just looking for seeds. But so start early. I was able to get, one variety each. But hey, it's a start. But the big plan is these are going to go up north eventually, and I'm going to create a food for us. So, but when you're dealing with hazelnut, chestnut, fruit trees, or really any perennial, they need to take a cold nap, essentially. You think about up here in Minnesota, that's where I'm from here. If a hazelnut drops from the tree, falls to the ground, and the moist, soil gets covered with leaves and goes the whole entire winter there. With the coming of the spring, the warm weather, it becomes to sprout. So we got to fake that here. And a couple things that I use sand, and I also use peat moss. So in the chestnuts, what I did earlier is I just put a layer of sand, and I just use a sprayer to, just make it moist. It doesn't have to be soaking wet. And then I just laid the chestnuts down, covered with a layer of sand, put a little bit more moisture, and then just eventually covered them all up. And then what we do is just put the date on this and put it in your refrigerator crisper. With the hazelnuts, what I did is, like I said, I used the peat moss. And what I like to do is just put some peat moss in like a coffee container, use the sprayer, get it to the right, moisture you want. You don't want any, like, when you squeeze it, you don't want like moisture, water coming out. Just so it's like, damp. And what I did with the hazelnuts, I had like 45 of them, loaded them on top of the moss, and then I laid a thing of moss over the top. Again, we'll just put these in the refrigerator for probably till March, good 60 days. And got to keep an eye on them. You don't want, if you see mold, that's a bad thing. So, once a week I'll take a look, take a peek, and any issues I'll address them then. But I will be drilling a couple little holes in the top too. But stay tuned. I'll definitely show you. I'm going to plant these in the backyard nursery, get them going, and probably plant a few seeds directly into the ground up north. But probably wait until these bad boys, get a nice growth, hopefully maybe 12 to 18 inches. And then this fall, dig them up in the backyard and move a few up north. Just kind of test that soil. But what's fun with, getting seeds is the hunt. I got the chestnuts from Smoke Camp Crafts. And guys send a nice little business card and a coupon for their free ebook on how to grow herbs. Kind of fun. And I got the hazelnuts from the Reich, distributed by the Reich. And they were out of Illinois. So, but they're kind of fun. And my youngest daughter, Emma, gave me a gift card, her and her boyfriend, Blake. So I used that gift card to purchase these seeds. And eventually, my daughter, my kids, and Melissa's kids will inherit the food for us. So kind of fun. They can look back 20 years from now and see their crazy dad planting the actual beginning of the food for us. So kind of cool. But hopefully, down the road, or I'll be able to provide seeds for you guys or seedlings. That's kind of my plan. I'm still working, got lots of years of working left, at least 15 probably. So I'm just going to start a little nursery in the backyard, moving up north, and yeah, make it a hobby. I'm calling it planting for retirement. So if you have any questions, comments, leave them below, and make it a great day.